Venice is known also as a city of canals, the floating city, and is arguably one of the Italy's most picturesque cities with its winding canals, striking architecture, and beautiful bridges. Venice is a popular destination for travel. Today the tide is low and city has the fragrance of mudflats. I love it through. I love everything about Venice, from the narrow alleyways to the many bridges, small and large. The buildings are tall and arched windows and painted shutters. They are the cafes and the street markets and the cathedral and the boats. Venice dived from the bank to glide afloat, a city of stone, water, color, and texture, a city where direct and reflected light acts at the interference of structure and water to produce the magic of the reality and illusion. It is the city of mirrors, the city of merges. Gaze upon the architect and the artwork in Scuola Grande San Rocco. Take in the modern Criuni Semtapila Museum. View the Grand Canal from Ca' Odere. Explore the city's finest churches. Get to know glasses and the work on the Di Piazza Marco, which is the most important attraction of Venice. I really enjoyed my visit to Venice, and I have made a lot of memories, especially the carnival, the way it was celebrated, and the Venice citizen, the way they dressed and they celebrated this festival will be always memorable for me. I will highly recommend to all the people around the world to visit Venice once in life. Thank you. Hi everyone, it's Gia Khan from Z89 TV. I am in Venice and I'm here for a film shoot, but I will be exploring the city. I just have one day, the whole day for myself, and I will be sharing a lot of photos and videos of the sightseeing of this historical city of Venice, which has the most important attraction called Venice. And Venice is in central of Venice where the water is, and you will see the gondolo, which is like a big boat, and also motor buses, which are actually boats, but here in Venice Italian call them motor buses because to travel from one place to another they need the motor buses. They don't have tubes and trains like us, so I'll be traveling in motor buses as well and sharing all those videos. Right guys, so when you're buying a souvenir for your loved ones and you are in Venice, choose one of these masks. I really love them. They have a huge variety here. You can see, you can pick up whichever one you like. I really like this one because I just think that the work on this and the details are just so beautiful. But then you have the small ones as well. If you don't want to have the big one, you have the small one. This one's really pretty as well. So these, when you are in Venice and you're shopping, you will see most of it, there will be masks like these everywhere. Okay, so I'll be showing you more things. Stay tuned. And you'll be seeing me actually traveling in these motor buses and also sitting in gondolo. In Venice, there's a carnival. So you'll be seeing a lot of Italian dressed, and they'll be wearing fancy dresses to celebrate the carnival in their own style in Venice. So stay tuned. Keep watching Gia Khan with Z89 TV. Thank you.